Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it has been forever, but I'm finally back, and today I'm taking you through my at-home wash and retwist routine. I like to keep things very simple, minimal products, minimal fuss, but still giving my hair the care it needs. I first start off with brushing my locks. This helps get rid of lint or dust or any other particles that might have gotten trapped in my locks. I also use it to help remove surface buildup from the gels that I use on my edges daily. Just so you guys are tracking, I am over 4 years locked and plan on doing a 4-year lock journey video soon. Hopping in the shower, the first thing I do is try to get my hair thoroughly wet. I do still have low porosity hair, so it takes a while for my hair to get completely drenched. I've been using Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner as a loose natural, so there's no surprise that I'm still using it on my locks. Why change something that's not broken? When shampooing, I really focus on my roots. That's where the product buildup normally forms, and given the fact that I've stretched my last retwist for so long, I have a lot of growth, so it often builds up right at the point of my last lock start, if that makes sense. So I kind of really focus on massaging my hair at that point, because that's where you'll see most of the dirt and product buildup. And using the conditioner, I mainly focus on my ends, because I do leave my ends a little bit loose and it just helps maintain the curls. I just put my hair in a top bun and let that sit while I wash my lady parts. The final step is actually just thoroughly rinsing all that out, and then I will just go ahead and squeeze the excess water from my hair, because I don't want to be walking around the house dripping. It had been a busy week, so I actually didn't do my retwist until 2 days later, and as you can see, I have a decent amount of growth. As for products, it's just water, a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil with tea tree oil, and I also have like a little light argan and Moroccan oil that I use on my hair. I've always used the interlocking method to do my retwists. Since I did start my locks on my own, I know that the back is not really great parting. It's giving free parting. It being at the back, it never bothered me anyways. I do realize oftentimes when I stretch my retwist for too long, I do develop gaps in between my locks. To fix this, I just use my interlocking needle to push my hair through the lock just to tighten that space. And I've also been doing locksmithing, wrapping the loose hair around my locks. I'm just quickly showing you lint on my hair. Like, there's no full way on avoiding it. It happens. I didn't capture the interlocking method very well, but if you guys would like me to do an in-depth tutorial of how I do that, just leave that in the comments. I'll also add that you may have seen a few short pieces in my hair. I will definitely explain that when I do my 4-year lock journey video. Since the front is the more visible part of my face, I make sure those parts are actually straight, and that's where the tail comb comes in, with me trying to ensure that all the hairs is in these section locks that it needs to be in.
Please help me to open it. There's nothing in it. There's nothing in it, Buggy.
Next thing I do is give my scalp some proper oiling because at this point it's really dry since it's been 2 days since I've washed my hair. And as I said, that's just some Jamaican black castor oil with a little bit of tea tree oil, and I made sure I massage that. I then follow up with a little bit of water spritzing before I add that argan and Moroccan oil. It's a very light oil, adds a little bit of shine. Feels very nice on my hair. I just make sure I spritz my hair for the remainder of the week until wash day. That completes my simple wash and retwist routine. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.